Alright guys, so it's Ricky Repairs back again. Today we have a 2017 E300 Mercedes-Benz 2.0 4-cylinder. What we're going to do is replace the spark plugs. And also last time I didn't replace this filter, but there's a cabin filter right here, right next to the battery. Just going to show you. Let's move to the side. The location real quick. It's right here. It's right under this. Let's go ahead and leave the camera right here. Let's get to the filter right here. Just go ahead and push it down. After that, it should come right off. And here's the filter. You see, it's not as bad, but you can see this little bit of dust. Just gonna get the new one. All right, so here's the original part, Mercedes. We got the replacement, but as you can see, the owner got the wrong part, so we have to tell them to get the right part. So I do have a video on how to replace this. I will include it under the description. Alright, just gonna put this back and get to the spark plugs. Alright, you can see this up. Just gonna put it back. Let's go and align it. As you see, hold those little parts right there. After that, just go ahead and put it back in. So click in there. That should be it. Alright, now it's holding back in. Alright, just going to get to the spark plugs now. Just going to put the cover back on. Don't forget this little hooks right here. Alright, just go ahead and align it. After that, just twist these little ones. Just go back in. As you can see, now it's holding down. Alright, just gonna get the spark plugs now. Alright, just gonna lift this plastic cover. Now we have the spark plugs right here under these coils. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just gonna get those. Alright, just gonna remove these. Lift that up. Let's go and wiggle it. Just come right off. One thing you want to make sure the car is cold. This one, the owners just arrived, so we're replacing the spark plugs, but it is hot, so you want to be careful. Alright, just gonna disconnect this. Or you can just pull it out, because it is hot, so you want to be careful with that. Alright, so ideally if you have an air compressor, you want to use that to blow all the dust out. That was loose. See, it's coming right off. Alright, let's go ahead and bring our compressor out. Blow all the air in there, the debris. Alright, let's go ahead and get that one. Alright, let's go ahead and blow our compressor in there. So as I mentioned, you want to be careful because the car will be hot. If you had it running, all you have to do is press this down. Get my hands out of the way. Press it down. After that, you should be able to pull it off. Press on it. Just come right off just like that. You might want to clean this a little bit. As you can see. Alright, just gonna get the other coils out. Get that out of the way. Wiggle it. See that one too. Similar condition. It's gonna pull out the coils pack. So yeah, you just want to be careful because it will be hot. The very last one. It's gonna try to pull it out. As you can see, there's connection right here, wires on the way. No problem. Just gonna take your time, pull it out. As you can see, it's already out. From there, you don't need to pull it out more. You just remove your spark plugs from there. Just put that to the side like that. You could go ahead and disconnect it if you want, but there's really no need for it. Alright, just gonna pull out the rest of the spark plugs now. Let's get the second one, third one, last one. Alright, just gonna use an extension. Just gonna take that bad boy. So you could go ahead and warm up the car in order to loosen the spark plugs. As I mentioned, this car is hot because it was running. Alright, you just want to take your time. Last thing you want to do is break the spark plugs. This one is even more loose. We already loosened it. This is the fourth one and the last one right here. As you can see, pretty much needed the spark plug replacement. Just gonna do the same thing with this one. Alright, just gonna blow the compressor in there before we reinstall the new one. Same thing. Let's get the second one right here. Second one. Alright, let's gonna put our compressor air in there before we install the new ones. Alright, so here are the new spark plugs. I will include the part numbers under the description. So go ahead and add some anti-seize on it, on the thread. Alright, just gonna put this back on. Alright, so you want to hand tighten it first. I got to the very back one first. Let's get to the third one. Same thing, anti-seize. Put the third one back on. Same thing, just go to hand tighten it first. So once it stops, that's enough. Alright, let's get the second one. It's right here. Same thing, you just want to hand tighten it. After that, should be enough. Alright, let's get to the first one. Same thing, just want to hand tighten it. Alright, so once it stops, just give it a little tug. Alright, so once it stops, that should be enough. After that, just go ahead and loosen it. Then tighten it, just give it a little tug. Should be more enough. Just like that. No need to over tighten it. That little smart tug should be enough. Let's get the extension on. Extension for that one. Alright, little tug, that's more than enough. Just gonna get the first one right here. As I mentioned, no need to over tighten it. Alright, just gonna put this back in. Let's slide it in. Let's get the next one. Slide it back in. Make sure it's all the way in. Alright, so that's about it. So before you put the coil back in, you want to blow your air again one last time. So before you put your coils and after you put your coils, go ahead and blow your air compressor in. Alright, let's get to the last one. Make sure it's aligned. Alright, let's go and finish tightening it. Alright, so you disconnected your coils, make sure you plug it back in. Alright, so that should be it. So as I mentioned, I do have videos for this car, other repairs, minor maintenance that we have done on it. Alright, so you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. And I'll catch you in the next one. Alright, so the last thing to do is put back the cover back on. Alright, so now there you have it. Alright, so here are the old spark plugs. Here's cylinder 4. See, it's pretty bad. Same thing with the first one. So this car has about 70,000 miles. Well, as you can see, it's really bad already. So yeah, we got that done.